Hi lovely people, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you a flip through of my recently returned to personal rings with the Cocoa Daisy August kit. Now yes, I was trying to do it all in one planner and it lasted at least a month. I was using my Erin Condren Owlie and I have got set up videos of that showing how that's been done and what that all looks like if you want to take a peek. And I was finding I was putting all of my lists and everything in here and it just got too busy. I couldn't see what was going on. So I have returned, or I have gone to a much simpler style in this planner of just time blocking and specific and notes in advance of time. So putting in, you know, my monthly spreads and things ahead of time. And my ring planner has now become my little companion around the house and everywhere. And I've been back in this for about a week and with the July kit, and now I'm into the August one. So I'm going to talk you through and show you how I've got it all set up. So this is a Foxy Fix Spice Rings in Rosemary. I always have to think about that. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous green. I got it with sage stitching, chartreuse elastics and a gold foil butterfly. On the front is a little charm that came in the Cocoa Daisy kit, and let's get inside. So I'll just bring you in a little. There we go, that's better. So just inside I've got some of the note paper, I've got Simon and the teacup, and I've actually put those onto a card because I don't like putting clips over the leather, but if I just tuck them in they fall out. So I clip them onto a card and that just keeps them nice and secure inside. I popped the little card with the poem on just in there because I liked the way it looked, and I also I want to use that somewhere else anyway. Then I made these dividers, so with today, work, home and personal. These are made from the printable. Basically I took the printable that's a free download each month, and on it there was a journal card with this stripe on. Now I love stripes. I love stripes. So I took that, I enlarged it, made it the whole width of the paper, and then cut the words out on my silhouette. So that's how I did those, which is why they're blank on the back. And I've just got the August little cover there, and I've started jotting down some sort of bigger projects, really key things that need to get done in August on here. Not done anything with the monthly overview yet. I'm actually debating how to use this because I already have a monthly overview in the back, as you'll see, and this is more of a notes and tracking planner than an actual this is what I need to do, this is where I'm going today planner. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that. It may just end up being decorated. Either way, it's there, it's nice, it makes me smile. Then I also made some little note paper, again using the printables and just resizing things, and so I've got this personal paper throughout, and I use the printables to make some stickers too as just little tab labels. So this is my inbox, just a running list of things that I want to do. I made a little today page marker. My sticky notes have fallen off already as usual. So this is just, again, I think that is a printable one. I don't think it is I don't think it's a card from the kit. So I just laminated that with another bit of that printed stripy stuff. Popped a tab on the top, daily to do. There we go, sorted. Then I have my week on one page, but I've punched it on the opposite side because I ordered them unpunched this month because I thought I was going to bind it all together into the dory, and I haven't done. But the thing that really annoys me in some ways about this is that when it's punched on this side, you lose a lot of the writing space because of the Monday to Sunday. So I thought, well, I'll just punch it on that side and then I've got much more sort of real estate to write. that is my life in Munchkins on there. I just thought I'm just going to put everything in Munchkins. It's going to be fun. And then I've just got weekly page a day using the daily to-dos all set up, and then that goes in. I think I've got 3 weeks worth in there, but I've not done the rest of the planning yet for this month. Then I have, oh, this is another thing that I made as well. I just printed off some of the printable onto acetate just to make a couple of little overlays, which is just really pretty. Coming to my work section, I have got in here some stuff that I can't share, sorry, but you can see my divider, and again I've been using the note paper that I did, and that has got my 90-day goals and sort of projects in. Then this is a little clip which I made, and I have sold quite a few of these as well in my shop, both on Etsy and on my main planner shop, my main website. So that is crocheted with a very, very, very tiny little hook. So on this is kind of my projects pay section, and I'm just using this to plan out different projects and events. Then I have a to-do list section which has got design ideas, again just running lists that are to do with specific things. Next up is one that's actually labelled projects, and these are kind of my long-term things. So there's things like website updates on there. There's what else have I got that's a long-term one? Yeah, setting up a brand new product line and things, and again you can see there how that printable came out. I then have another acetate overlay, and I've got some company information there, so I can't really show it to you. Did I punch it? No, I didn't. Never mind. Sorry guys, if I put my hand there then you can see what it looks like. It's the teacups. And I actually included just a card that I really liked from back in March. So there we go. Oh my gosh. Then we get into my home section. So another divider. I labelled it summer bucket list, but it really isn't fun stuff. It's house projects that need doing. Oh dear. The practical side of things. Then I have a little wish list section, which has again got home projects that I'd love to get done. It's got gift lists and different things like that in there. Then in my personal section I've got a couple of dividers. One is for travel planner because we're planning for our summer holidays. Again, I'm not going to show you because it's got sensitive stuff, I'm sorry. I have things like weight trackers and stuff as well. And then I have my crochet project section too, and I'm going to have to flick straight through this because it's got written out in it some paid for pattern, and then one that's just like different colourways that won't mean very much, and that's there. Then finally at the back I have a forward planning section, just month at a glance. These dividers are from Lisa at My Pretty Week, and you can see they really are so thin. Now I've only got anything in from August through to December because I'm just waiting for Natalie at Ultimate Success Planner, who has recently rebranded to Simply Plan, which is just a wonderful name. She has her academic year release coming out, and so I'm going to pick up a new set of these month on two, because I really like them because they've got like a blank page at the front, then you've got your month on two, just really simple, and then notes on the back, which is great. Finally got page lifter. That loop was in the June kit from Cocoa Daisy. I've got the stencil from last month, some stickers in the back, and that is it. So my kind of way of using this at the moment is I'm just going straight to my daily to-dos. I'm jotting in any ideas on the go. I can sit and do any project planning. Yeah, it's working really, really well at the moment. As I said, I did end up going back into rings for a bit of the last sort of, I mean it is the last week in July, and I've moved to August early because it's pretty and I like it. And I didn't want to set up the whole of July stuff just for a week. So I did end up going back into rings for about the last week or so, and I decided to stay there. So there you go. Oh, do you chop and change as often as me? Let me know in the comments down below, and I shall speak to you again soon. Take care, lovely people. Bye.